How to download and install Safari browser on Windows 11 and Windows 10. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the old version of Safari for Windows. Before we begin, keep in mind that Apple discontinued Safari for Windows a long time ago, so this version is outdated and does not receive modern security updates. It's mainly useful for testing or compatibility purposes. First, open a web browser, such as Google Chrome. Search for the archived Safari 5.1.7 for Windows installer from a trusted archive. Once you find the installer, download the setup file to your computer. After the download is complete, open the setup file to start the installation. When the Safari installer opens, click Next. Read the license agreement, select I accept the terms, and click Next. You'll now see several installation options. You can choose whether to create a Safari desktop shortcut, make Safari the default browser, or install additional components such as Bonjour. Select the options you want, then click Next. Choose the installation location, or leave it at the default location, and click Install. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. Wait while Safari is installed on your computer. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Safari should now open, and you may notice that the interface looks quite old compared with modern browsers. That's because Safari 5.1.7 is an old version and is no longer supported by Apple. And that's it. You've successfully installed Safari on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful tech tutorials.